And the rest of the week coming up.
Tonight, we're diving deeper into the case of Dee Warner. The mother of 5 vanished back in 2021 from her home in Lenawee County.
And just 3 years later, she was just miles from her home. Her husband, Dale Warner, is accused of stuffing her body inside an ammonia tank and then sealing it shut. And now he'll finally stand trial next week. Investigator Lauren Kostick shows us all the chilling timeline from the day she disappeared to the day her family finally got some answers.
Well, the case of Dee Warner has haunted Lenawee County for so many years, so many twists and turns, and the investigators at Local 4 have been there for it all. From the day she went missing to the day her body was found, the whole time hidden in plain sight.
April 25th, 2021. 52-year-old Dee Warner vanished from her home on Munger Road in Franklin Township.
Well, I don't know if she's missing or if she just left.
She told friends she planned to meet her husband, Dale Warner, and was never seen again.
Began in Franklin Township in Lenawee County, where state police, the FBI, and the Lenawee County Sheriff's Office are searching fields in connection to a woman who went missing earlier this year.
This really hits close to home. There's a lot of people that this has impacted.
Family had their suspicions, but for years no one knew what really happened. The search went on, family held out hope, and investigators dug up countless properties. In August 2022, Michigan State Police took over the investigation from the Lenawee County Sheriff's Office. Then in November 2023, without a body, Dale Warner was arrested.
Dale Warner, the husband of Dee Warner, has been formally charged with her murder.
Who would have ever thought that in this little tiny town, on this little country road, that we'd have to be talking about a murder?
Attorneys believed they could prove Dee was dead and Dale was responsible.
One of the last things that my mom said to me was, I watch Dateline like every night and he could do something like that to me.
She's gone. She took all her bags.
Body camera video released in court showed police questioning Dale the day after Dee's disappearance. Dale acted as if nothing unusual happened.
So somebody picked her up. So she's with someone somewhere.
But the most chilling discovery was yet to come. On August 16, 2024, state police found human remains hidden inside a sealed tank on Dale's property.
The human remains found on Dale Warner's property were that of his wife, Dee Warner.
Days later, dental records would confirm the remains were Dee's. Dee's brother, Greg Hardy, gave Local 4 an exclusive look inside the barn where she was found.
These are the type of tanks they are. And if you'll notice, there's a seam right here, okay? And that appears to be where the seam was cut. And then this cap taken off. And then her body put in that way.
The case grew darker in March 2025 when Dale's son, Jaron Warner, was arrested for tampering with evidence and being an accessory, though charges were dropped in May. Over the months, Dale's defense team filed several motions to slow the case, including a request to move the trial out of the county, but that was denied.
Significant community opinion that appears to exist to a large part to Mr. Warner's detriment.
Now, 5 years later, Dale Warner is finally set to face a long-awaited murder trial, a trial that promises to unravel years of secrets.
And this has been a very rocky legal process for Dee's family. The last time I spoke to Dee's brother, he said frustrating would be an understatement. Again, Dale's trial is scheduled to start next week, January 27th. It's expected to last several weeks. But again, that's if Dale does not accept a last-minute deal, which is always possibly on the table. So a lot to play here, but that trial again next week. For now, live, Lauren Kostick, Local 4.
Yeah, for the family to have waited that long just for this process to finally begin, and they're still waiting, must be excruciating. Lauren, thank you.